Hello, Uptown Swing Level 1, Charleston.
I'm Stacia.
I'm Peter. We did Charleston. Specifically, we did the kick away. So we did this. We did double kick, double kick, double kick, and double kick. We had a stretchy and a squeezy and a stretchy and a squeezy. The way you get into that is you gotta cut that basic in the middle on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your moment to get in. It's also your moment to get out. So we're here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're done. We just finished out a basic. We showed you one more thing just for practice. We're gonna work on it more next week, the around the world. So same thing, if we're doing our kickaways, 5. We got this. We could just keep on going. We go around the world with single kicks, and then we're back into kickaways. We'll do it one more time. Hey, we go around the world, and hey. And that was it. Oh, yeah.